as you all know, we have been trying to achieve sort of an English country kitchen, and we did the best with what space we had. I would have loved to have had the side panels on our hood above the stove come all the way down to the countertop to make the stovetop feel completely cocooned, like I often see in the magazines. However, space did not allow for that. We wanted the extra counter space, and also we didn't want to create a fire hazard. So I think we made a very nice compromise here. I think it looks rather nice. And as you can see, we did add a shelf above, and the goal is to try and place some appropriate objects up there to really solidify the English country kitchen theme. Okay, Richard, so here we are at Coldfield Antiques.
Yes.
So other than finding something for the shelf above the stovetop in the kitchen, what else do you want to find today?
I need to find...
Since we're breaking the bank?
Yes, I need to find napkin rings, either sterling silver or silver plated, but something that's unique and different, but also simple. So we'll see what we come across.
Okay. And what about this? Could be interesting. Right here. What do you think about these two things? Dorian Jasperware.
Oh, I love them. They match our little napkins.
Yeah, those are great.
It's a bargain.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Okay. No, I don't like those.
I don't like them. So here we are back home, and as you can see, there's nothing placed upon our shelf above the stovetop. It was a bust. But we did see a possible contender, which we will include in the video. It's a painting with dark, moody tones to it that is a fruit basket. And the painting, even though it's oil, is behind glass. So,
Which I'm concerned about, considering I like to cook and get things everywhere, so.
yes, you do. So, so we'll see. We'll see about that one. We're thinking about it. But it would look nice with the scale that's on my right, and also with our light fixtures that are also antique and have a bronze plate above.
Right.
So it could look nice. We'll think about it. Let us know what you think when you see the painting. Yes, he got the soldiers.
Very happy.